Welcome to our channel and thank you for joining us on a room tour at Crockfords at Resorts World in Las Vegas. We start off at the elegant lobby at Crockfords. This much anticipated resort opened in June 2021 at a cost of $4.3 billion on the site of the former Stardust. The resort has a total of 3,506 rooms divided across 3 Hilton-affiliated brands. The lobby bar is open 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. daily and also had a complimentary breakfast offering during our stay with fruit, coffee, tea, and breakfast bakery items. This original unique artwork from the late and timeless icon Frank Sinatra was highlighted in the lobby. We stayed at Crockfords with 236 rooms, offering the highest level of luxury at Resorts World. This is the Strip View Superior Room. At 550 square feet, this is your basic room at Crockfords. With a large smart TV and one of the nicer touches, flowers on the dresser, this is a nice round work table with chaise lounge that overlooks the view from your floor-to-ceiling windows. An amazingly comfortable king bed with upholstered headboard. The bed includes this handy ottoman bench and dual bedside nightstands. Moving to the bathroom, you'll find the glass-enclosed shower with bench, dual vanity with complimentary bath amenities. The separate water closet with artwork is another nice and upgraded touch in this room. There's a full-length mirror in the entryway across from the closet. The interior lit closet holds the ironing board, luggage rack, 2 robes, upper storage compartments with slippers and the iron. Moving along now to the fully stocked minibar, you'll also find an amazing addition with an espresso machine and also the ice buckets and glassware. I love the gold accents on the barware. It is a fairly compact room at 550 square feet. However, Crockfords also offers upgraded suites, villas, and palaces. You'll find updated tech conveniences like this alarm unit with USB ports and one-touch controls for all your lighting and drapes. This was a nice touch, a complimentary manicure kit that I put in my travel kit and still carry today. Many nice touches throughout the room, like this floral arrangement with splashes of color that really brighten the room. The strip view from the upper floors at Crockfords offer a unique view looking south down the strip. This is a complete resort with 100,000 square feet of entertainment space, featuring an impressive list of performing artists. Also, the resort has The District, an indoor retail mall area, and more than 40 restaurants and bars, featuring an indoor food hall, famous food street eats. An extensive pool complex also features a day club with DJ residencies. So let's get to the review. Let's start with the first plus of service. I want to highlight 2 employees, one at the lobby bar who went out of her way to help me get a breakfast item that was out. Also, the bartender at Famous Food Center Bar. She's fantastic, engaging, friendly. We've actually come back and seen her multiple times now. Really want to thank those employees. A second plus is the wide variety of food options you'll find at Resorts World. It's an embarrassment of riches with everything from great pizza at Mulberry Street to food stalls to the very best of fine dining. The next plus is the layout of this new property. Let's start with the dedicated elevators at Crockfords. It's a really great design that takes you right from the stunning lobby to your floor. The entire property is very well laid out, and I have to say this is probably the least confusing casino floor that I've ever been on. On to the minus. And this was a really tough one for me to rate because we had so many fantastic things go right, but the first minus is a minor issue that was never addressed. Let's go back when we first checked into the room. We unpacked and wanted to go to the casino floor after we locked everything in the safe. Well, we found the safe to be locked in an open position. My first thought was that when I checked in, I was told there was a 24-hour luxury ambassador phone service, so it sounded like that would be a good fix. I picked up the room phone, called, and explained my issue, and they said they would send someone right up to fix it. Well, after 3 hours, no one ever came, and I never went to the casino floor that night. Was pretty disappointed. I let the hotel staff know upon checkout that my issue was never resolved, and I was simply told that that was noted. There was no apology, no compensation, and really for me that's strike two. So after arriving home from Vegas, I felt compelled to write to the hotel and let them know about my experience, the issue, and wrote them a long email and never received a response. To me, that's strike three. And on this one, they're out. I know it's not a huge issue, but when I think of something that could have been taken care of very easily or even apologized for, none of that happened. The second minus is the location of this property. Resorts World is located towards the northern end of the strip, and your closest casino is Circus Circus. Now, if you're a business traveler, there is a convenient Tesla ride to the convention center. And in time, when Fontainebleau opens, it could be a game changer for this end of the strip. However, don't forget, it is a 4-mile round-trip walk to Center Strip from Resorts World. All right, the third minus is value. And I have an analogy of staying at this hotel is very similar to buying a new car. Now, bear with me. Let's say you go to a Ford or Chevy dealership, you pick out a model. There are several different vehicles there. Some have different options. Some are fully loaded, all decked out with the bells and whistles. Whichever vehicle you select, at the end of the day, it's the same model. Very similar to this hotel, you have 3 options, starting with the lowest Hilton. That base room is 400 square feet. The mid-range Conrad, 550 square feet for the base room, and then the high-end luxury Crockfords at 550 square feet for the base room. What you have to do is at time of booking, look at the rates for all 3. Compare, contrast, and really, like buying a new vehicle, figure out what you're comfortable with at your level. So in conclusion, again, it was a very agonizing decision for me to review this property because without any issue, it would have been a much different video and a glowing review of the property. But I have to be honest and transparent about my experience. So at the end of the day, it gets a 4 out of 5 on the DJ the Cat scale rating. And it really had potential for a much, much higher rating. We hope you enjoyed the room tour at Crockfords and hope to share more of our travel experiences with you. If you'd stayed at Crockfords or any other hotel at Resorts World, please leave a comment below and let us know your experiences. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more travel content. On behalf of DJ the Cat, Slot Dancer, and myself, we go by the name of Hello World and look forward to seeing you in the next video.